Hi everyone, this is my second video for designing G+20 multi-story building project. In previous video, I have explained the first part and now I am going to discuss about the second part of this project. In this video, I am going to discuss about seismic analysis, designing and detailing portion. The previous video's link is given in description below, where you can see the first part of this project if you have not seen it. We have already analyzed this section after applying the various loads. In this video, first we will check that the loads which has been applied. Go to define menu, click on load patterns, check. Here dead load, live load, wind load and earthquake load has already applied. If earthquake is not applied, then type under load earthquake X plus or EX X plus, types seismic, lateral load ISH 1893/2002 and click add new load. After clicking, click one more in Y direction, so type Y plus, select type seismic, select auto lateral load IS 1893/2002, click on add new load. After adding new load, click on EX X plus, modify lateral load, check all except X direction, click on per code, select the zone factor as per your IS 1893/2002. Site type, it is also given in IS 1893/2002. Response reduction factor, you can also see the IS 1893/2002 and click OK. Similarly, in Y direction, click on modify lateral load, uncheck all the tab except Y direction. Similarly, click on per code, select zone factor, select site tab and response reduction factor as per IS 1893/2002. Click on OK. Now again click on OK. Now all forces has been applied. Now click on define and set combination. So click on define, select load combination, check all combination has selected or not. If not, then click on add default design combos, click on frame design, concrete frame design and click OK. Here already applied, so now click on OK. Now click on check module, select deselect all, click OK, wait. Okay, model has been checked. Now analyze, run analyze. This may take a few minutes. Here the progress is has shown. Now here you can see the displacement by clicking on display, load assign, frame, cell and joint, force stress diagram. Here you can see the force diagram, stress diagram. Now next step, I am going to design this section, so click on concrete frame design, check view revise preference, design code IS 456/2000, steel factor of safety 1.15, okay. Concrete 1.5, okay. Live load factor 0.75, all are okay. Then click on OK. Again click on design, click on concrete frame design, click on start design and check. Wait few minutes, it will take a long time. After few moments, a dialog box may be open by asking you to reiterate analysis and design. Then click on yes. This will automatically redesign and take some moment, so wait. This dialog box opening again, click on yes and reiterate until it is not completed. But if we see that there is no progress and this dialog box is opening again and again, then there are two options to resolve this error. First, stop this process by clicking no. Unlock this project, go to define and add more section from section properties and redesign after reanalyzing. And second option, that is easy. Here click on 3D view, go to select object type, columns, select, right click, go to overrides, click on current design section, select column 400 into 400, click on OK and check. Click on design menu, go to concrete frame design and verify analysis versus design section. Here 24 concrete frames are differ, so click on no. Again click on 3D view, go to select and object type, select columns, select, right click on the member, go to override, select column size as 500 into 500 and click OK Go to design menu, click on concrete frame design and verify analysis. Here 13 concrete frames are differ, click yes, right click on the member, click on override. Similarly, now we will use 550. Okay, and check. Now another one concrete frame that was differ. After selecting other cross section, we found that all the concrete frames has matched. Now click on OK, go to design menu, click on concrete frame design and verify all member passed or not. Click on verify all members. Here all concrete frames has the design check. Now we click on concrete frame design and start design check. Wait a moment. It will take more than 1 minute. Here designing portion has been completed. Now we will make a detailed project report. For this, click on detailing, click on start detailing. After detailing, here the drawing sheet with components are there, where which we can see. Here all the components design and plan and section drawing are present in this section. Floor slab details, beam details, column details and frames details. So from here we can use this data for our project report, and our project has been completed successfully. Thank you for seeing this project video. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you.